From prototyping simulation, car design, machinery, household items, furniture, everyday utilitarian items, packaging, the industrial designer profession is waiting for you. Gain the skills to succeed as an industrial designer with our comprehensive training and powerful Autodesk software tools. The Industrial Design Academy offers all the necessary tools for guaranteed success, introducing you to the fascinating world of industrial designers and a market that is projected to grow 6% from 2020 to 2030, about as fast as the average for all occupations. About 3,100 openings for industrial designers are projected each year, on average, over the decade. You will learn how to work in most famous Autodesk software tools as Inventor, Fusion 360 and much more. In the end of the program you will get official certificates from Autodesk. Create your tomorrow with industrial design and embrace the projected growth of this sector and open doors to a promising future.